Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make Zen Browser transparent. So let's start with the first step, which is launch Zen Browser and click the menu icon or press the keyboard's shortcut to open settings. So from there, just navigate to the appearance or customization section. Next step is look for transparency, so Windows effect or visual effect settings. So Zen Browser offers various options for window opacity and blur effects. So you may need to enable hardware acceleration for transparency to work. Next step is use the transparency slider to adjust how see-through you want your browser window. So you can start with around 80% opacity for a subtle effect that's still readable. So you can combine with blur for a beautiful glass morphism effect. Next up is preview the effect. So you can move the browser window around your desktop to see how transparency looks with your wallpaper showing through. So you can also adjust until you find the perfect balance for you. Next is save your settings and enjoy your beautiful transparent browser. So the effect creates a modern floating appearance and that integrates with your desktop aesthetics. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!